Hello dear students, I am Mrs. T.V. Ramana Kaveri, Sanskrit faculty in Mica College, Mysuru. I am going to teach you for first year BA and BCom, first semester. You have 4 blocks in this book. In the first block you have 4 poetry lessons. Now we are going to do the first lesson, Subhashitani. As all of us know, Sanskrit literature is very vast. There are numerous books in this divine language which are virtually gold mines of wise sayings and interesting quotations. The objective of this unit is to make you familiar with such beautiful verses called as Subhashitas. Subhashita literally means a good or intelligent saying. The other names for Subhashitas are Shobhanam Bhashitam, Sundaram Bhashitam and Sushtu Bhashitam. We have different types of Subhashitas. Some Subhashitas teach morals, while some others praise gods or great kings or well-known sages or heroes. Others are descriptive or humorous. There are many Subhashitas in the works of great poets. There are many famous collections of Sanskrit Subhashitas like Subhashitavali, Sukti Muktavali, Subhashita Ratna Bhandagaraha, etc. Some poets have written works containing only Subhashitas or Muktakas. 3 Shatakas of Bhartruhari Kavi, Niti Shataka, Shrungara Shataka and Vairagya Shataka need to be mentioned here specially. Jagannatha Pandita Raja's Bhamini Vilasa, Vedanta Deshika's Subhashita Nevi also we can mention here. Ramayana and Mahabharata, the 2 epics of our India, are great gold mines of very good Subhashitas. Now let us continue with the lesson. Stimitornata sancharaha jana santapaharinaha Jayante viralaloke jalada iva sajjanaha. The meanings of few words. Stimita means fixed. Santapaharinaha means removes the sorrows of people. Viralaha means very few or rare. Sajjanaha, gentlemen. This shloka is in poetry. We are arranging this into prose order, which we call it as Anvaya Krama. Stimitornata sancharaha jana santapaharinaha sajjanaha jaladaha iva loke viralaha jayante. Let us see some grammatical points also here. Jana santapaharinaha, jananam santapaha, jana santapaha, Shashti Tatpurusha Samasaha. Jana santapam haranti tachhilaha, jana santapaharinaha. This is the explanation. Jayante, Jani Pradurbhave is the dhatu. Latlakaraha, Prathama Purushaha, Ekavachanam. Latlakara will be like this. Jayate, Jayete, Jayante, Jayase, Jayethe, Jayadhve, Jaye, Jayavahe, Jayamahe. Let us go to next shloka. Yasya na vipadi विषादः संपदि हर्षो रणे न भीरुत्वं तं भुवनत्रयतिलकं जनयति जननी सुतं विरलम्. Vishadaha means sadness, Ranaha means battle, Janani is mother, Viralam means less or rare. Yasya navipadi vishadaha sampadi harsho rane nabhirutvam tam bhuvanatrayatilakam janayati janani sutam viralam. Vishadaha means sadness, Ranaha means battle or war, Janani is mother, Viralam is less or rare. Anvaya krama. Yasya vipadi vishadaha na bhavati sampadi harshaha na bhavati rane bhirutvam na bhavati भुवनत्रयतिलकं विरलं सुतं तं जननी जनयति. The qualities that make a person a jewel or ornament of all the three worlds are keeping the equilibrium state of mind in both happy and sorrowful situations, being equal both in gain and pain, and bravery in battles. Such persons are born rarely. Let us see some grammatical points. Bhirutvam, bhiroho bhavaha bhirutvam tathitantaha. Bhuvanatrayasya tilakam, bhuvanatrayatilakam shashti tatpurusha samasaha. Next shloka. आदौ चित्ते ततः काये सतां संपद्यते जरा असतां तु पुनः काये नैव चित्ते कदाचन. आदौ means at the beginning. Satam to the gentleman. Jara means old age. Asatam of bad people. Punaha again. Anvaya krama. Jara satam adau chitte sampadyate tataha kaye sampadyate tu asatam punaha kaye sampadyate chitte kadachana na sampadyate eva. Old age occurs for good people first in the mind and afterwards in the body, but for evil people old age occurs in the body but never in the mind. Means here mental maturity or wisdom. Sampadyate, sam is upasarga prefix. Sam plus padyate, latlakaraha. This is pada gatau. Pradhama purusha ekavachanam. Kadachana means sometimes. Na kadachana means never. Tataha, tu, na, eva, kadachana. These are all avyayas or indeclinables. Next shloka. पौलस्त्यः कथमन्यदारहरणे दोषं न विज्ञातवान् रामेणापि कथं न हेमहरिणस्य संभवो लक्षितः अक्षयश्चापि युधिष्ठिरेण सहसा प्राप्तो ह्यनर्थः कथं प्रत्यासन्न विपत्तिमूढमनसां प्रायो मतिः क्षीयते. अन्यदार haranam, kidnapping other's wife. Hema harinaha, golden deer. Akshaha, dice. क्षीयते perishes or deteriorates. अन्वयक्रम कथम पौलस्त्यः अन्यदारहरणे दोषं न विज्ञातवान् हेमहरिणस्य असंभवः रामेण अपि न लक्षितः कथम् अपि च युधिष्ठिरेण अक्षयैः सहसा कथम् अनर्थः प्राप्तः प्रायः प्रत्यासन्न विपत्ति मूढ़ मनसां मतिः क्षीयते. Here the stories of the Ramayana and the Mahabharata are referred to in this stanza. Ravana was well versed in various branches of knowledge. He has learned many shastras. Why did he fail to know that kidnapping the wife of another man is wrong? Rama was very wise. In spite of his vast wisdom, how did he miss to know that a golden deer could not exist in this world? Yudhishthira was virtuous. How did he lose everything in gambling? It cannot be explained. So, we can conclude that the thinking of those facing a danger becomes dull. These great men got confused at a critical moment and suffered a lot. Now, few grammar points. Paulastyaha. Pulastyasya apatyam puman paulastyaha. Tadhitanta shabdaha. Pratyasanna vipatti moodha manasam. प्रत्यासन्न विपत्या मूढ़ानि मनांसि एषां ते प्रत्यासन्न विपत्ति मूढ़ मनसः तेषां बहुव्रीहि समासः. क्षीयते क्षी क्षये धातु लट् लकारः. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. दातव्यं भोक्तव्यं धन विषये संचयो न कर्तव्यः पश्येह मधुकरीणां संचितमर्धं हरन्त्यन्ये. संचयः means accumulation. Madhukari or madhukaraha, honey bee. Artham is money, one meaning. When you apply to honey bees, it is honey. Anye, others. अन्वयक्रम धन विषये दातव्यं भोक्तव्यं संचयः न कर्तव्यः. इह संचितं मधुकरीणाम् अर्धम् अन्ये हरन्ति पश्य. The best use of money is in spending and giving charity, not in storing. The honeybees collect honey and store it. Others will steal and eat it. So, it is not wise to store or accumulate money. Madhukarinam. Madhu kurvanti iti madhukaryah tasam madhukarinam. Pashya drush dhatu lot lakaraha madhyama purushaha ekavachanam. Lot lakara is like this. Pashyatu pashyatam pashyantu. Pashya pashyatam pashyata. Pashyani pashyava pashyama. Next sloka. Danena tulyo nidhirasti nanyo. Lobhacha nanyosti ripuhu prithivyam. Vibhushanam sheela samam cha nanyat. Santosha-tulyam dhanamasti nanyat. Nidhi means treasure. Lobhaha is greed. Vibhushanam is a jewel or ornament. Sheelaha is good character. Tulyam is equal. Anvayakrama. Danena tulyaha अन्यः निधिः न अस्ति. च पृथिव्यां लोभात् अन्यः रिपुः न अस्ति च शीलसमं विभूषणम् अन्यत् न अस्ति संतोषतुल्यम् अन्यत् धनं न अस्ति. What is given to a proper recipient comes back tenfold. So giving is the best treasure. Greed is the worst enemy of a man. No other enemy can cause so much damage. Character is the finest ornament, and satisfaction or being content is the most valuable thing in the world. Few grammar points. Lobhat anyah, other than greed. When the word anya is used, we have to use Panchami Vibhakti. Sheela samam, sheelena samam. अस्ति असा भुवि धातु लट् लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम्. अस्ति स्तः सन्ति, असि स्थः स्था, अस्मि स्वः स्मः. Let us go to the next shloka. वनानि दहतो वह्नेः सखा भवति मारुतः स एव दीपनाशाय कृषे कस्यास्ति सौहृदम्. Vanhihi is the fire, Sakha is the friend, Sakha, Sakhayo, Sakhayaha. Marutaha, wind. Vanani, Vanam, Vane, Vanani, Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana Rupam. Sauhrudam, friendship. Anvayakrama. Vanani dahataha vanhehe marutaha sakha bhavati saha eva deepanashaya bhavati krushe kasya sauhrudam asti. Everyone is a friend when you are strong. If you are weak, the same person try to destroy you. The example is the wind. When fire is burning the trees of the forest, the wind helps it to grow. But when the fire is very weak, say like the flame of the candle, the wind blows it out. Next shloka. Para parivadaha parishadi na kadachit panditena vaktavyaha satyamapi tanna vachyam yaduktam asukhavaham bhavati. Parishadi, in an assembly. Panditena, by a scholar. Satyamapi, even though it is true. Anvayakrama. Paraparivadaha panditena parishadi kadachit na vaktavyaha yad vuktam asukhavaham bhavati tat satyam api na vachyam. There are many true things which should not be spoken because they cause unnecessary ill will in all persons who are concerned. So, a wise man should not talk about scandals in assemblies or meetings. Gossip must be avoided by all of us. Grammar points. Asukham, na sukham, asukham, nai tatpurusha samasaha. Na kadhanchit, in no way. Na kadachit, never. Kada, avyaya, means when. Next shloka. Apamanam puraskritya manam krutva tu prushtataha swardham abhyudharet prajnaha स्वार्थभ्रंशो हि मूर्खता. Apamanam, insult. Swardhaha, selfishness. Prajnaha, a wise man. Murkhata means foolishness. Anvayakrama. Prajnaha apamanam puraskritya manam tu prushtataha krutva swardham abhyudharet. He swardha bhramshaha murkhata. A person who wants to reach a goal may have to suffer humiliation. He may have to forget his pride and status. The important thing is to achieve the goal what one wants to reach. If one misses the goal caring for his pride, it is foolishness. Grammar points. Puraskritya lyabantavyayam, krutva tvantavyayam. Next shloka. Ramasya vrajanam baler niyamanam pandoho sutanam vanam vrishninam nidhanam nalasya nrupate rajyat paribhramshanam नाट्याचार्यकमर्जुनस्य पतनं संचिन्त्य लंकेशितुः सर्वं कालवशाज्जनोऽत्र सहते कः कं परित्रायते. अन्वयक्रम. रामस्य व्रजनं बलेः नियमनं पाण्डोः सुतानां वनं वृष्णीनां निधनं नृपतेः नलस्य राज्यात् परिभ्रंशनम् अर्जुनस्य नाट्याचार्यकं लंकेशितुः पतनं संचिन्त्य जनः सर्वं कालवशात् सहते कः कं परित्रायते. All great men have suffered a lot. Rama went on exile to the forest. Bali, the great emperor of the world, was thrown away to the underworld, that is Patala Loka. Vrishnis or Yadavas destroyed themselves by internal war. King Nala lost his kingdom due to gambling. Arjuna had to teach dance at the palace of Virata. Ravana, the lord of Lanka, also fell on the ground and he got killed by Rama. Seeing all this, people learn that none can escape the punishments given by fate and endure the sufferings. None can protect anyone. Few grammar points. Sanchintya lyabantavyayam lankeshituhu लंकायाः ईशिता लंकेशिता तस्य लंकेशितुः. सहते सह is dhatu. Sahate sahete sahante is the form. Next shloka. सर्वनाशे च संजाते प्राणानामपि संशये अपि शत्रुं प्रणम्यापि रक्षेत् प्राणान् धनानि च. सर्वनाशः, the total destruction. Rakshet, one must protect. Pranaha, the vital energy or the life. Dhanam or dhanani is the wealth or money. Anvayakrama. Sarvanashe sanjate cha api prananam samshaye shetrum api pranamya api pranan dhanani cha rakshet. Even though it is very shameful to fall at the feet of an enemy, one should not hesitate to do so in order to save one's life and wealth. सर्वनाशः सर्वस्य नाशः सर्वनाशः तस्मिन् षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समासः. प्रणम्य ल्यबन्ताव्ययम्. रक्षेत् रक्ष इज द धातु, विधिलिंग लकारः, प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम्. रक्षेत् रक्षेतां रक्षेयुः, रक्षेः रक्षेतं रक्षेता, रक्षेयं रक्षेव रक्षेम. Let us go to the next shloka. न स्वल्पस्य कृते भूरि नाशयेन्मतिमान् नरः, एतदेव हि पाण्डित्यं यस्त्वल्पाद् भूरि रक्षणम्. मतिमान्, a wise man. अन्वयक्रम. मतिमान् नरः स्वल्पस्य कृते भूरि न नाशयेत्, यत् स्वल्पाद् भूरि रक्षणम् एतत्येव हि पाण्डित्यम्. People who lose important things for the sake of unimportant or insignificant objects are known as penny wise, pound foolish. What is wisdom? It is gaining big things at the cost of small things. Few grammar points. नाशयेत्, नश् धातोः प्रेरणार्थे नाशयति इति रूपम्. तस्य विधिलिङ्ग् रूपे प्रथमपुरुष एकवचने नाशयेत् इति रूपं भवति. पाण्डित्यं, पंडितस्य भावः पाण्डित्यं तद्धितान्तः. Let us go to the next shloka. यः पृष्ट्वा कुरुते कार्यं प्रष्टव्यान् स्वहितान् गुरून्, न तस्य जायते विघ्नः कस्मिंश्चिदपि कर्मणि. गुरून्, the teachers or elders. विघ्नः, obstacle. Karmani, in the work which we do. Anvayakrama. Prashtavyan swahitan gurun pruštva yaha karyam kurute tasya kasminchidapi karmani vighnaha na jayate. A person should consult the elders before starting any important work. Elders such as parents and teachers always want the welfare of a person. If their advice is taken, there will be no obstacle on the path of the person in his life. Few grammar points. Pruštva, prach dhatu plus tva pratyaya. It is tvantavyaya. Kurute is latlakaraha, pradhama purushaha, ekavachanam. For kru dhatu, we have both parasmayapadi form and atmanepadi form also. Next shloka. Satyam parityajati munchati bandhu vargam शीघ्रं विहाय जननीमपि जन्म भूमिं संत्यज्य गच्छति विदेशमभीष्टलोकं चिन्ताकुलीकृतमतिः पुरुषोऽत्र लोके. परित्यजति, leaving. बंधुवर्गम, relatives. जननी, mother. जन्मभूमिः, motherland. विदेशः, foreign country. चिंताकुलीकृतमतिः, a worried person. अन्वयक्रमा. सत्यं परित्यजति मुञ्चति बन्धुवर्गं शीघ्रं विहाय जननीमपि जन्मभूमिं संत्यज्य गच्छति विदेशमभीष्टलोकं चिंताकुलीकृतमतिः पुरुषोऽत्र लोके. परित्यजति, leaving. बंधुवर्गम, relatives. जननी मदर, जन्मभूमिः मदरलैंड, विदेशः फॉरेन कंट्री, चिंताकुलीकृतमतिः ए वर्रीड पर्सन। अन्वयक्रम अत्र लोके चिंताकुलीकृतमतिः पुरुषः सत्यं परित्यजति, बंधुवर्गं मुञ्चति, जननीं जन्मभूमिम् अपि शीघ्रं विहाय गच्छति, अभीष्टलोकं संत्यज्य विदेशं गच्छति। When a person is engrossed by worry, he will no longer care for values like truth. He abandons his people, even mother and motherland. He leaves his dear and near ones and goes to a distant land so that he will get relieved from the worry or anxiety. Few grammar points. बंधुवर्गम, बंधूनां वर्गः बंधुवर्गः तम, विहाय संत्यज्य और ल्यबंताव्यय एग्जाम्पल्स, शीघ्रम अपि अत्र अव्ययानि। He leaves his dear and near ones and goes to a distant land so that he will get relieved from the worry or tension. Few grammar points. बंधुवर्गम, बंधूनां वर्गः बंधुवर्गः तम, विहाय संत्यज्य are examples for ल्यबंताव्ययम्, शीघ्रम अपि अत्र are अव्ययानि indeclinables. Let us go to the next shloka. नश्यति विपुलमतेरपि बुद्धिः पुरुषस्य मन्दविभवस्य, घृतलवणतैलतण्डुलवस्त्रेन्धनचिन्तया सततम्। बुद्धिः intellect of a person, mandavibhavasya of a person who is financially poor, ghruta means ghee, lavana salt, taila oil, tandula rice, vastra clothes, indhana is fuel. अन्वयक्रम विपुलमतेः अपि मन्दविभवस्य पुरुषस्य बुद्धिः सततं घृत लवण तैल तण्डुल वस्त्र इंधन चिंतया नश्यति. Financial stability is essential if a person's talents have to flourish. Even if one is very knowledgeable, if he is poor, money wise or financially weak, his intellect becomes dim. He will be continuously worrying about the necessities of life like food and clothing, salt, oil, ghee, rice, fuel, etc. Grammar points. विपुलमतेः, विपुलामतिः यस्य सः विपुलमतिः तस्य बहुव्रीहि समासः. स्वामी द्वेष्टि सुसेवितोऽपि सहसा प्रोञ्झन्ति सद्बान्धवाः, राजन्ते न गुणस्त्यजन्ति तनुजाः, स्फारी भवन्त्यापदः, भार्या साधु सुवंशजापि भजते नो यान्ति मित्राणि च, न्यायारोपित विक्रमाण्यपि नृणाम् एषां नहि स्याद्धनम्. स्वामी master or boss, sahasa quickly, it is an indeclinable avyaya, tanujaha sons, bharya wife, suvamshajapi who was born in a good or noble family. अन्वयक्रम एषां धनं न स्यात् तान् सुसेवितः अपि स्वामी द्वेष्टि. सद्बान्धवाः सहसा प्रोञ्झन्ति तेषां गुणाः न राजन्ते तान् तनुजाः त्यजन्ति तेषाम् आपदः स्फारीभवन्ति तान् सुवंशजा अपि भार्या साधु न भजते. People respect a person only if he is financially sound. His master, relatives, wife, son or friend regards respectfully when he has money. Troubles grow quantitatively and qualitatively for a poor man. In brief, poverty is the root cause of all troubles in the world. Few grammar points. द्वेष्टि द्विष अप्रीतौ लट्लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम्. प्रोञ्झन्ति उञ्च धातु लट्लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः बहुवचनम्. राजन्ते राजृ दीप्तौ धातु लट्लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः बहुवचनम्. सुवंशजा शोभनो वंशः सुवंशः सुवंशे जायते इति सुवंशजा. स्यात् असाभुवि धातु विधिलिङ्ग् लकारः. स्यात् स्यातां स्युः स्याः स्यातं स्याता स्याम स्यावा स्यामा. Few important questions basing on this lesson are like this. Write the answers to the following. What is a Subhashita? Name few collections of Subhashitas. What is meant by Panditya? Why should not money be hoarded? What is abandoned by a worried man? And the next main, write the answers to the following. धनहीनस्य स्थितिं वर्णयता चिन्ताकुलीकृतमतिः किं किं करोति किं किं संचित्य जनः सर्वं सहते शत्रुं प्रणम्यापि कदा प्राणाः रक्षणीयाः. These are few grammar points and here ends our first unit Subhashitani lesson. Thank you. I hope you understood the lesson well. Let us meet again in the next lesson.